Looking for the best cordless drill in 2025? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a contractor, or just need a reliable power tool, today's cordless drills are more powerful, efficient, and feature-packed than ever. Let's check out the top picks for this year. And if you want to check out any of these, all the product links are in the description below. The DeWalt 20-volt Max XR is a contractor-grade drill designed for high performance and durability. With a powerful brushless motor, 20-volt lithium-ion battery, and up to 2,000 RPM, this drill handles wood, metal, and concrete with ease. It features a 3-speed all-metal transmission, a 1/2-inch keyless chuck for quick bit changes, and an ergonomic grip for comfort during extended use. If you need a powerful, long-lasting drill for tough jobs, this is the one to get. Need a professional-grade drill? Check the link in the description. The Black Zero 16.8 volts. Max Smart Cordless Drill takes innovation to the next level with an intelligent LED screen that displays real-time torque, battery level, and working modes. With 5 adjustable working modes, 60 Newton meters max torque, and a self-stop function, this drill adapts to different materials with precision. It includes a Type-C fast-charging battery, 46 bits, and 8 drill bits, making it a versatile and smart option for DIYers and professionals alike. Want a smart drill with high-tech features? Check out the link below. For those who want a complete power tool set, the Greenworks 24-volt brushless cordless drill and impact driver kit includes a 1/2-inch drill, a 1/4-inch impact driver, 2 lithium-ion batteries, and a fast charger. The brushless motor increases efficiency and battery life, while the impact driver delivers extra power for tough materials. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or home improvement projects, this kit gives you everything you need in one package. Looking for a drill and impact driver combo? Grab it from the link below. The DecoPro 20-volt cordless drill is an affordable yet powerful option for those who need a reliable drill without spending too much. With a 20-volt battery, multiple torque settings, and an ergonomic design, it's perfect for home repairs, furniture assembly, and light construction. It comes with a battery, charger, and a set of drill bits, making it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts on a budget. Need a powerful drill without breaking the bank? Check the link in the description. The DCK brushless cordless drill is designed for power and precision, featuring a 20-volt Ace Max battery, 531 inch-pounds of torque, and a 1/2-inch keyless all-metal chuck for durability. With 2 variable speed settings, this drill is great for wood, ceramic, tile, and even steel. It also includes a 4.0 amp-hour battery for extended runtime, making it a reliable tool for long work sessions. Want a versatile, long-lasting drill for multiple materials? Check the link below. Thanks for watching. If you love tool reviews and home improvement gear, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. Check the description for links, and we'll see you in the next video.